You think that's a good idea?
Go ahead and try it.
This is going to be fun, dog. We're going swimming.
We're going swimming. That's it. Good boy. Test it out.
I'm not going to push him in.
I didn't say I'm pushing it. Are you down?
Well, you were being kind of bossy.
No.
Oh, man. This is nice.
You chicken? Come on. Come on.
Held out right now, doesn't he?
Oh, pup.
Oh.
I don't trust him. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Jim.
Yeah, there you go. Good boy. There you go. Come on.
Go get it first.
Good boy, man.
Nah, I'd let him go. He doesn't want to.
All right, take this. Too far away from me. This is great. Easy. I think we'll take the path.
Back this way. Here we go. Go back up.